is for alligator, snappy and sly. B is for bear with a cuddly cry. C is for cat with a curious paw. D is for dog who says woof with awe. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for fox with a clever plan. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hippo with happy feet. I is for iguana, green and sly. J is for jaguar, leaping high. K is for koala, calm and slow. L is for lion with a mighty roar. M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for narwhal in the deep blue sea. O is for owl with eyes so wide. P is for panda with a gentle stride. Q is for quokka, smiling bright. R is for rabbit, hopping light. S is for snake with a slithery slide. T is for tiger with jungle pride. U is for unicorn, magical and sweet. V is for volcano with lava heat. W is for whale splashing waves. X is for xylophone with rainbow plays. Y is for yak with wool so thick. Z is for zebra with stripes that stick.